Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in a Lincoln MKZ. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool. Gather a wrench, drain pan, oil filter, new oil, and a funnel. Loosen the drain plug, drain oil fully, replace the filter, and reinstall the plug with a new crush washer. Refill with correct oil, check the dipstick. Before you begin, assemble all tools and parts so you work efficiently and safely. Confirm the exact oil grade and capacity for your engine and have at least 1 quart extra. Warm the engine briefly to thin the oil, then turn it off and let it cool slightly. Position a drain pan under the oil pan and support the vehicle with jack stands if needed to access the drain plug and filter comfortably. With a drain pan in place, loosen the drain plug and let the oil flow until it slows to a drip. Remove the old oil filter and compare it to the new one, adding a light coat of fresh oil to the new gasket. Screw the new filter hand tight plus a quarter turn, then reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, taking care not to over-tighten and cause damage to threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.